Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get a virtual credit card to get verified instantly on PayPal. And to do so it's very simple. Just go visit Jeton on Google. So write Geton on Google, then click search, and here you will find this Jeton link. So it's a company like PayPal to easily add or send money from your account. So what's really important to us here is the credit card. So just visit this link. You will find yourself on this uh, page. So just go to sign up, and here create an account either with Google or with an email account and a password, etc. They will send you a verifying link, so make sure it's a real email account that you're using. So here you will just have to confirm and then go back to this page. You will need to verify your account, so it's nothing really crazy to do. It just takes 15 minutes to do. It's really easy. You will need to provide your identity document like an ID, driver's license, passport, etc. Provide address information. Provide a liveness check, so you will use your phone or your camera to move your face and make sure that it's really you that's on the ID. And they will ask you some questions like what will you use the card for, some security questions to make sure that you can recover your account once you lose it, etc. And that's it. Now it will take 15 minutes, and then you will go to cards and then take your card. You can either order it physically, so it will arrive in like 15 days, or you can get a virtual one to make the process faster. So this is the first method. You can also use Revolut. So it's the easiest method that I know of, but a lot of people don't want to do it because it's paid. It's like €3 a month to do. So there are small fees, but really Revolut is the best. It's more known than Jeton, for example. It's really a good app. So it takes like 30 minutes to set up, and it's better than Jeton, but it's paid. So yeah, you gotta make your choice here. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.